What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Cameron back with another video, bro. Hey, bro, we got 3 Dodge Charger RTs. Hey, y'all know, you know I'm trying to do. Trying to get that. I am on crack. I'm not gonna lie. But oh shit, that's how we coming. Damn, I can't even get my goddamn intro out. Anyway, YouTube, what I'm gonna say? Oh yeah, so we finna do a little POV job on the highway, man. 3 RTs, we got 1 behind us, we got 1 in front of us. I hope y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe in this video, bro. And we finna get straight to it, bro. No cap. That traffic. Shit, what? Off the rip. That's how you coming? Alright, YouTube, we now on the highway, man. Hey, bro, we finna goddamn cut up, man. Hope y'all boys ready to enjoy the video. Y'all know we in Atlanta, so like, you know, the traffic be ass than a bitch, boy. I'm talking about ass. But we gonna see how this shit go. Real. Hey, his shit like, you feel me? It's not fair, bro. I be forgetting. This shit tuned, guys. Remember that. If you ever see this Charger, this shit is tuned. It's not fair. Nah, no cap though. I need to get some pulls out of y'all. Damn, y'all trying to follow me and shit. Fuck. I need some pulls. Hold on, fuck it, hold on. No, it's too much traffic, hold on. He said, fuck it, this nigga. Hey, oh wee. Hey, that bit loud though. Straight fight? Oh yeah, that straight fight different for sure. On game, that straight fight different. On my, that bitch sound different. On game.
I can't hear it though.
Bro, you gonna hear that bitch in the video game. Nah, I ain't gonna count though. I'm trying to get this nigga from behind me. I need to get him to, hold on. I'm trying to get this nigga, hold on, he need to do a pull. Do a pull, bitch, give me one. Oh yeah, give me one. Ooh. Oh yeah. His shit can't be straight fight. Damn. Oh yeah, your shit, I can hear your shit more. Unless he not hitting the gas for real, I don't know. But that nigga shit, bro. Hold on, we gonna see though. He must not be hitting that. Hey, look at this Charger, he trying to fit in. He trying to fit in. Bro, this nigga trying to fit in, bro. Get on, bro. What the fuck you got going on? Get out my way.
Oh, he gonna slow down.
Fuck.
Slow down, bro.
Nigga in my way and shit, YouTube. Alright, bro, we good.
You got a Maserati behind?
Yeah, I see. That Maserati hard. Hey, YouTube, we got 2 double RTs right here, though, man. As y'all can see, this shit, you feel me? We got a tuned RT, we got a straight pipe RT. Hey, man, you feel me? We gonna just see how this shit go, bro.
This shit is big, though.
This shit hard. Bye, y'all. Have a beautiful time. Hey, y'all gotta keep up, man. How we just Hey, this shit is crazy though, YouTube. I ain't gonna cap. Nah, facts. Nah. I do this all the time, gang. Trust me. I do this all the time. Ah, fuck. Alright, YouTube, it might we are gonna come to a cut, cause welcome to Atlanta. Welcome to a fucking Atlanta, bro. God damn it. Fuck, man. Alright, YouTube, we finna cut. We gonna come back up when there's less traffic. You know how that shit go. Alright, y'all. Oh yeah, let me see something. Let me hear something. Oh yeah. Hey, that bitch loud. Never mind. Woo, hey, that bitch loud. I ain't gonna count. That bit loud though. He do got a straight pipe. Woo, shit. And that bitch running. And that bitch running though. Hey, y'all boys, hey, you on that boy ass like that, you gotta slow down or you gotta tune, bro. You gotta tune, bro. You can't be doing that. Fuck! Oh my God! We back in traffic, YouTube. See you later. Alright, YouTube, we back, YouTube. Fuck you, Jeep. You stinking ass Jeep. I ain't gonna it's a lot of traffic. I don't know what the fuck going on right now, but yeah. Alright, man. Let's get back to this fucking video, man. We're gonna try to make the best we can out this shit, YouTube. It is a lot of traffic going. Them boys swimming, okay. You better not come over, you Kia. Kia. Man. Alright, man, let's see. Ooh, hey, that bitch Putin. Hey, that bitch Putin. You supposed to cut up. I gotta teach him how to cut up. Hey. No, I'm talking about him. He was supposed to make that turn. I was gonna be right behind him. Yeah. His shit dumb though. I ain't gonna lie. Wait, what the fuck? Oh shit! I need gas. I'm a dummy. Fuck. Now I think I can make it. I think. I should be able to make it. Nah, I'm looking at my shit. I'm like, oh shit, I'm low as a bitch.
I was sure about accident.
Oh God, we was just at the gas station. Nigga ain't getting no gas. Hey, I'm a dummy though.
Bro, let me know if you need to get off.
Nah, I'm like a little like below halfway. I should be able to make it, right? Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. I can make it. For sure. Bro, look at this traffic, YouTube. I'm like, we can't even cut up. We can't even cut up in this shit. Fuck, man. It's that bullshit, YouTube. I ain't gonna cap. We probably should have went another way or something. I don't know. Oh, hold on. Wide body scat? I think I see a wide body. I think I see a wide body scat. Hold on, what that is? Hold on.
Come on.
It's a wide body scat. I knew it.
Oh yeah. Put it in the wrong thing.
He ain't gonna cut up with us though. Wait, nah, I don't know. Yeah, for sure. It's not no scat. Let's say T/A. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, go all the way to the right. Go all the way to the right.
He ain't gonna cut up. He ain't gonna hit that bitch.
He don't want nothing.
He ain't gonna hit that bitch.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he know better. Hey, you know better.
He said 3 against 1.
He said 3 against 1. Oh, we. Alright, YouTube. We back on the highway, man. Hey, bro, we've been through a lot of trials and tribulations, but like, we back, man. It been a lot of fucking, man, y'all wouldn't even know. Y'all boys just don't know. But look, bro. God damn. Tight ass turns. We back, bro. Three RTs back on the highway, man. His shit already gone. We just started the video. He already leaving me. Damn, can a nigga like, you feel me? Niggas trying to leave a nigga already. Nigga just got on the highway. Niggas trying to leave me. That shit so crazy. Hold on, YouTube. I gotta catch these niggas. Hey, it's a light blue scat behind me. Hold on. I repeat, a light blue scat. A light blue scat behind me. Hold on, I'm trying to slow down. Yeah, I want to see. I'm trying to see if he gonna catch up. Fuck, he lame. I'm trying to. He gotta come on, bro. Oh yeah, he's scared. He's scared as fuck. He don't even want to drive that bitch for real. Oh yeah. Come on, run that bitch. Oh, he's scared. Oh, he's scared. You can't be scared, bro. He gotta. I think that's an RT, YouTube. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on, run that bitch. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Run that bitch, gang. Come on with us. Come fuck with us. Come fuck with us. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he is. I don't think he gonna catch up. Oh yeah, he definitely not catching up. Ooh, fuck that bitch loud. I'm waiting on the two. Oh yeah, he coming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, that bitch running. Oh my God, you dude, that motherfucker running. Oh yeah. Hey yeah, the dude behind us, you too, he not fucking with us. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, that boy not fucking with us. Nah, hey, I ain't gonna cap. I'm sorry as fuck when it comes to turning. Like, how do you...
I don't be on the gas. I let off the gas.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure, me too. Oh yeah, we got a Chrysler. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Chrysler, come on.
He in front of me too.
It's a Scat? Oh, is it? You said it's a Scat?
I think it's a Scat.
Okay. Okay, I was gonna slow down for the Chrysler, but fuck it, we gonna go get that Scatty Yaddy. Hold on, I think it's a Scat.
He bad, so I can't tell.
It might not be a Scat.
Oh, there he is. Come on, what you doing? What are you doing?
Oh yeah, come on, Scat. Oh yeah, come on, Scat. Oh, he's scared too. Oh yeah, he's scared. Oh yeah, he's scared. Oh yeah, the Scat's scared. Woo. Hey yeah, good up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, we leaving the end. Them boys not fucking. Hey, them boys not fucking with us. Hey, why y'all doing them boys like that? Hey, I'm weak as fuck. Y'all boys hell, boy. Y'all boys are hell. Y'all leave it. Why y'all left that Scat like that, man? I was trying to fuck with the little Scatty Yaddy. Hey, no cap though. Hey, motorcycle nigga. Hey, that boy cutting up. Alright now. Alright now. It's a fat ass hole right there. Watch out.
Oh shit. Oh, I seen that shit. I got you at the last minute.
Oh, hey, me too. I just had to warn you. Oh my.
Hey, good call out.
That shit be deadly, but them hoes be deadly.
Get in front of me.
All right.
I can just follow your ass. I'ma just follow you, bro.
Hold on. These roads look weird as fuck.
My shit not updated, bro.
I think we gotta go left. I'm pretty sure that shit say go left, yeah.
Somebody go right?
Go left. I mean right. Fuck, I'm tripping.
You saying left and going right?
Oh, I'm tripping in this bitch. Hey, no cap. That boy trying to punch it on the light. Alrighty, if you really want this shit, like this ain't no regular RT, buddy. I don't know if you want this shit.
I'm gonna spin up.
Fuck! Hold on, no, I swear to God, that shit don't count. I didn't even press the gas, YouTube, so I'm just letting y'all know. It's like, tight shit. Hey, tight shit. Oh, weak as hell. I bet you won't punch it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My turn. Ooh. Ooh. That bitch sticky. Oh, shit. That bitch. Oh, yeah, I think we in the white folk area. They finna call them boys. Them boys they gonna call them boys. Man, fuck them. Hey, they gonna say, oh hell no. Somebody call 911. We got 3 chargers.
My shit be popping, bro. My exhaust be popping when I let off.
Nice little tunnel. That was a nice little tunnel. Nice little tunnel. Woo!